The following portion of the Arizona Daily Mix is sponsored on behalf of Shamrock Farms by Manic Managed Mom, LLC.
Road trip season is in full effect, and it can be hard to stay healthy. Well, Manic Managed Mom, Rachel Harris, is here with some healthy road trip yummies for us.
Yes, Brad, how are you?
I'm doing good. So, you know, it's that time of year. I do hit the road. You see me camping, doing stuff.
No, I love watching your stories. And Brad, I'm going on 8 trips between now and November.
Oh my gosh.
Going to see my grandma for her 99th birthday. Happy birthday,
Wow.
Grandma.
So-
Yes, isn't that cool? So when I tell you that I really think through how I eat to stay healthy on the road, and also when I had a family, same thing,
Yeah.
I am not exaggerating. And the common denominator, can you guess what it is?
I'm going to say M-I-L-K.
Okay, that's
milk.
right, milk, just like Mom taught us, right?
Yes.
So I have brought today Shamrock Farms whole milk, Shamrock Farms whole chocolate milk, and I'm going to show you how to incorporate milk into some great travel ideas.
I will say one thing that has, I won't say bothers me, but will, like, I don't know, kind of makes me frustrated a little bit, is that I don't know how much milk I need to take with me. I don't know how much I need to buy and stuff.
Yep, I'm going to help you with that.
And I like this right here.
Yeah.
Because it's all measured out, ready to go.
It is. And they're handy on-the-go containers. And speaking of where to buy it, let's roll the video that I brought, because just last week I headed up to your favorite place. Walking into the quick trip, I was headed up to northern Arizona, and they had all the Shamrock Farms milk that I wanted and needed for my trip. So I stocked up, and what's great about their milk, it's pure, fresh. There's no added hormones. I love that, Brad. And it's made here locally. You know, Shamrock Farms Dairy Farm, they've been around in Arizona for over 100 years. So if you stop at the quick trip, you can grab it right there in the handy on-the-go container, which, by the way, is resealable, so it works for the whole family.
I like it. Okay,
All right,
let's
make some food.
Yes.
So
What do we have
first of
down
all,
here?
this is, if you are prepared the night before your travel, you'll get out on time. Overnight oats, right? So easy, and I know you're eating really healthy, and it
Yes.
shows, Brad, it shows.
Thank you.
So I'm sure you have your recipes. For this one, we simply poured in the Shamrock Farms whole milk. We did some oats, peanut butter, honey, topped it with blueberries. Love the mason jars. That's fun too. Take it with you.
Yes.
Okay,
So-
I know you're a big fan of smoothies, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have a smoothie. I'm going to have you finish making one.
Okay.
So I'll lift it up so we can get a shot. So we started with peanut butter, banana, strawberries, keeping it real simple. Now, like I said, the container that this chocolate milk comes in, the on the go, guess what? You're going to use the whole container.
Okay.
How easy is that for
Well, I
your
like that.
recipe?
Oh,
I know,
so
it's
write
already
them
done
out.
for
Right
you.
there.
Don't even
Look
need a
at that.
measuring cup.
You don't. If you look, I mean, remember on your cups, I don't know if you see that. It tells you the max right there,
There
that you
it
can put
is.
in, and it hit it right there
It
perfectly.
did. It was perfect.
I love
and then
it.
add a little dash of cinnamon to mix things up.
Okay.
I'm a big cinnamon fan. All righty?
There we
And
go.
top it off. And we brought the blender for you. And I know you know how to use this blender, Brad.
Yes.
Because, again, I see you on
I
all
make
your
a-
stories making all
Yeah, I
this
sure
healthy
do.
food.
You got it,
So let's
so.
go ahead and blend that up.
All right, make sure it's tight.
Okay,
'cause
you
that's
ready?
open. Yep.
Ready, go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Awesome. I think that's good, Brad.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, that's
And
it.
then
That was quick.
That's it. And if you want, you can pour it in there and
Okay.
have a sip. What's great about this too, using the milk, it makes it a nutrient-dense beverage. And Shamrock Farms milk has 13 essential ingredients like calcium, potassium, vitamin D, protein. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that.
No,
All
look at
those
that.
nutrients.
Oh.
All right, Brad, so we'll let you take a sip, but we're gonna move on to lunchtime.
Okay.
You're in the car, you got the family, the kids are cranky. If you pull out a beautiful lunchbox, it's all in the presentation.
Yes.
You know, all the colors of the rainbow are there, so you know they're getting a good lunch. And you're gonna love watching them drink the milk, because you know they're getting the essential nutrients and that protein.
Oh, there it is. I like
Yeah,
that.
keeps them fueled up on the road.
All right.
All right, a little later in the trip, did your kids get cranky in the back seat? Did they say, are we there yet? How much longer?
I would driving.
I know.
That's me.
But my kids did it, and it was karma because I did it to my own parents, right?
Yeah.
So pull out a snack pack. For one thing, it's good food, and it's going to make time go by. So in our snack pack, we did some popcorn. We did apples, because my mom taught me that apples clean your teeth naturally.
Yeah.
And we also have some Shamrock Farms cottage cheese in here. And you could top that with peaches or pineapple.
I like it.
And when you pull out chocolate milk, they are going to shout, hooray! Because chocolate milk, all ages, but especially the kids love their chocolate milk, right?
Perfect. Good. I love it.
Speaking of chocolate milk,
yes.
Now I have been watching you on Insta, and I see you just camped.
Yes.
You were lifting weights, doing
Working
push-ups
out.
right in front of your tent.
Yes.
I was so impressed.
I do, right in front of the campsite.
Okay, so I'm not that good, but when I travel, I try to hike, kayak, what have you, and when you get back, you have to replenish that energy. So grab a chocolate milk, good protein.
Yes.
And then last but not least, pull this out at the end of the day. Surprise the kids. Shamrock Farms has the flavored milks.
Ooh.
They got birthday cake and strawberry. And I didn't bring cookies and cream, but they have that as well.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Brad, from sunrise to sunset, you will travel. You're going to stay healthy and energized. Again, because milk is the common denominator.
Does the body good.
It does. Now, I have recipes, the ideas I showed on my blog at managedmoms.com, but you want to head to shamrockfarms.net. They have tons of recipes and ideas. And then have you seen them on Instagram?
Yes, I have. I've been following them.
They're there at Shamrock Farms Milk.
There it is. I love it. Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome.
So if you want more information, you can head over to the CW7AZ.com's website. So, all right. Thank you very much.
Happy travels,
Happy
Brad.
travels to you, too. So, perfect. This is good.
Cheers.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of Shamrock Farms by Manic Managed Mom, LLC.